PracticeWeb. We're excited to show you what's new in PracticeWeb version 22.3. Are you looking for a faster, easier way to collect patient payments? Try Global Payments Integrated Solutions. With Global Payments, you can accept card-present transactions, text and email requests for payments, and if the patient pays by text, the record of the transaction will populate in the patient's ledger. We've made it simple for you to sign up. Simply click on the Pay by Text button from your patient's account. And request more information. Fill out the online form, and an account specialist from Global Payments will reach out to you to help set up your account. And once you're signed up with Global Payments, ask about TuaPay, delayed patient payments. It's easier for your patients to afford your treatment with convenient payment options. With pwConnect, you can now send additional on-demand confirmation texts to different appointment status types. So if your status is emailed or left message with a family member or any other status you choose, in the pwConnect application, you can select additional statuses that will receive a confirmation message if the appointment wasn't already confirmed by text. So when you need to send additional confirmations, you can make sure that none of your patients are left out. New enhancements have been made in the Appointments module. There is now a module preference that will let you see your practice schedule with the week view as soon as you log in. This will allow you to know what to expect throughout your week, and you can plan your day or rest of the week appropriately. Once you have reviewed your appointments for the week, you can just click the day option under the calendar and you can view your schedule on the day view. To set this up, under the Setup menu, click on Preferences, and under the Appointment section, click on Appearance. In the Functionality section, put the check mark in Appointments module Defaults to Week View. Under the Print feature, you now have the option to print the schedule in Landscape View instead of Portrait, so it is more like an actual calendar. There has been an icon added to your appointment views so you can see when a patient has a family balance. You can use this feature in conjunction with your patient dashboard to help you improve your patient collections. If you don't use your dashboard all the time, then the appointment view icon can be extremely helpful. To set up this feature, under the Setup menu, go to Appointments, then Appointment Views. Double left click on the view you would like to show the icon. From the Available Rows section, select Family Balance and move it to the main list. Now you can double click on that item and then set your orientation as it will show on your appointment. When you hover the mouse over an appointment, you can see the appointment display bubble. You can now add a preference to have the net production show on this display. To add the net production to your display view, under the Setup menu, click on Display Fields. Select Appointment Bubble, then click OK. From the available fields, select Net Production, and then move it to the field Showing. Once in this column, you can select the line item, and using the up or down arrows, you can move it to where you think this information will be the most visible in your display bubble. Then just click OK to save. Now, you can see this information displayed. One thing to note about having the net production show on the display bubble is that in the insurance plan, you must have the plan type set to PPO percentage. Another feature in appointments is that you can now have a default tooth number for different procedures for your appointment quick buttons. For this example, you can see that I have a button for sealants. When I click on that button, you can see that it defaults for my upper primary teeth. This can save you a lot of time from the front to back office. To set up this feature in the Setup menu, go to Definitions, and now select Appointment Procs Quick Add. When you add a new button for a procedure that you want to have a default teeth number, enter the full CDT code, a # or hashtag, and then the tooth number or letter. Just make sure you click OK to save. In the appointment audit trail, you can now see when a procedure has been moved from one appointment to another. As you can see, I'm attaching this procedure to this appointment. If I go back and look at the audit trail, you can see that change here. There is now an insurance plan setting that will allow the software to automatically zero out write-off estimates when the annual max, age limitation, or frequency is met. On the Edit Insurance Plan screen, click on the Other Insurance Info tab. You can see in this section there is a default option or an option to override. You can say yes to override or no, you do not automatically want to zero it out. If you would like to change the default settings, go to the Setup menu and click on Preferences. Under the Family section, click on Insurance and put a check mark in the box for Insurance Plans Zero Out Write-Offs. To show you what this looks like, if we go to the Treatment Plan module, you can see that this procedure is not covered because of frequency limitation, and there is no write-off in the discount column for the patient. There is now a setting in the software that will automatically mark a claim as received and show no payment if the assignment of benefits box on the insurance plan is unchecked. You can still send the claim electronically or print it out for the patient, but once this claim is saved, you can see that it's now marked as received and no payment. To set this up, go to the Setup menu and then Preferences. In the Account section, click on Insurance, and then put a check mark in Auto Receive Claims. It's now easier to manage your outstanding insurance claims report. You can now mass edit pre-authorizations and insurance claims that haven't received any payments and remove them from your list. Simply highlight any claims that you're not going to get paid on, and then click Zero Claims. That'll automatically change the status and show a zero payment in the Account module and remove them from your outstanding claims list. A print button has been added to the chart module to allow you to easily print your progress notes. By clicking the print in the upper left, this will allow you to print all of the progress notes in the patient's record. If you would like to print more detailed or organized notes, you can still use the Show tab and the filters here to isolate what you want to print, and then right-click on the progress notes to print them out. More advanced graphics are available for your PracticeWeb ortho chart. just click on the Ortho tab. You can see it gives you the Palmer tooth chart for orthodontics. It works very similar to your general tooth chart. You simply highlight the teeth number from the chart on the left, and then use the buttons on the tab on the right to add in your information. So we're going to go ahead and highlight these teeth, and we're going to go ahead and apply brackets. Now let's add our wires. Now that the top's done, let's go ahead and do the bottom. Now we can add bands. Any graphics you add to the ortho chart will show up on your main tooth chart. To set up your ortho graphics, you can go to the Setup menu, and then Ortho, and then click on Hardware Setup. Are you ready to upgrade? Before you upgrade, remember to back up to a flash drive. Close Practice Web on all workstations. And if your office has paid support, check your email for the installation password. To find out which version you're on, go to the Help menu and then click on Upgrade. To check for your current version, change the update code and then click Check for Updates. When you see that a new build is available, go ahead and download. If you need assistance with the upgrade, please contact support at 800-845-9379 option 2, or you can email us at support@practice-web.com. If you would like to renew your technical support to get these free upgrades, call us at 800-845-9379 option 1, and one of our specialists will be happy to assist you.